Hi guys, hey ngobabantu. Anyway, someone commented this under Zama's photo dump. Wathi nje, injani i-pH balance esithenjini? Hey, isibindi sakho westallion. Isibindi sakho. Hey. Hi bandla. So this one commented and said, judging by the quantity of Ganagard she buys during her weekly Woolies hauls, her pH must be high. Yo, hey, khofo inoba inuka amathaya. Hayini guyzini. Hayi bo. Lalela-ke ngoba ubaby girl akathulanga nje uphendulile. Bathe bembuza ukuthi injani i-pH balance esithenjini. Wathi nje uzama boza unyoko sisi. That's the answer. Phela-ke vele yonke lento ivele yathathwa yiswa kubani ku-X. So uyabazi abantu be-X-ke ukuthi bayathanda ukuyikhulumela. Lona uthena protection isn't used yini. Hayibo wake wezaphi wena ukuthi uthi I don't think so. But-ke nawe wakwezwa kuphi ukuthi abantu abashadile basebenzisa i-protection kanjani? No, you can't do that. Abantu abashadile abayisebenzisa i-protection. Angikaze nje ngayizwa into enjalo in my life. Nalona uyabuza ukuthi don't they use protection? Guys, I'm not sure ukuthi ngiphila kumuphi umhlaba because wow, what? Okay. Anyway, this one the other one said I honestly think they are a little safer than us with lying and cheating boyfriends. Welele awazi lutho ke wena. Awazi lutho ukuthi indoda inabafazi abayi2, abayi3, abayi4, abayi5 doesn't mean ukuthi abahambe bejaparapa outside. They have girlfriends. They do one night stands. Indoda nje zonke lezi zinto ziyafana whether ishadile noma ishadile amadoda nje ahambe shutheka everywhere. Onke futhi. Onke. Whether ishadile or ayishadanga, whether umfundisi or yini, whether yimbi noma yinhle, whether imfishane or yini, yellow bone or dark. Yay! Zonke bonke. Bye-bye. This one said, plus they also have girlfriends on top of that. Yo, exactly. But I'm my girlfriends. And then this one said, mad business. 3 wives and plus I'm my girlfriends. Yes, guys, amadoda nje adaliwe ukuthi awaneliseki. Awaneliseki futhi awasoze washintsha ngisho ungenzani. Ngisho ngamnika abafazi abayi5. Angithi labafazi abayi5 uzobe sebajwayele indoda ijabuliswa into entsha. You get my point? You get what I'm saying? Ijabuliswa into entsha. So guys nje kuyafana usesithenjini awukho esithenjini ushadile awushadile into nje ukuze nje ube right be safe from yonke le nto le ukuthi ube single. That's it. I've always wondered not with her but polygamous relationships in general. This one responded and said, sometimes he probably even sleeps with 2 wives unprotected same day. I'm sure it stinks. There's no way it doesn't. So guys, we've normalized being disrespectful to people we don't know now. Hey babes, people don't care. This is internet. People do not care. They say whatever they want to whoever, however. Come on. Now I'm wondering ukuthi injani ngempela. Wema, yes, abantu. They want her life so bad. Kanti nje bangayifisi impilo yomunye umuntu. Bangathi bebona izinto ku social media bebone ngathi yonke into kumnandi zirose. Anazi ukuthi kwenzakalani behind closed doors. Asazi bangahaleli bangafisi uba uyena. Wait, but honestly I'm curious injani. The person who commented has bravely you. That person is very brave, bro. Very brave. I'm sure blokiwe, man. I'm sure blokiwe. Blocked. Mhlambe esithenjini esisemthethweni ayinankinga. Iba right nje angithi umshado ubusisiwe. Imandla lapha kuthi emjolweni. Hayi siswami lento esho nje ayikho. Ayikho nje into eshoyo. yazi ingaba right mekunjani ukuthi vele amakhosikazi akhe awalali namuntu alala naye kuphela, naye if kuwukuthi akahambe ulala nezinye intombi ngaphandle ulala nabo kuphela, then ayikho inkinga ezoba khona lapho, ayikho nje. Lento phela lento yama-PH wathi ibangwa ukuthi wena uhamba ushutheka nje, uhamba ushutheka nasendaweni e-wrong. Masubuya nayo ke lento lena ke manje usuzoyinika bani abafazi bakho, which is very very wrong. But ke sizothini ngoba phela amadoda anjena nje adaliwe, nkosi yami, sothini. Sis, you guys are adults and find this funny. Who's laughing? Who's finding this funny, guys? How? Okay, so when you guys find the answer to that question, what is it going to improve in your life? What does knowing how she smells like going to do for you? It's not going to do anything. We just want to know. Akiri, she's a public figure now. If you're a public figure, because come on, people want to know. People are curious. So don't blame people bebuza imibuzo, bafuna ukwazi ngoba nawe ngiyazi nje ubhala le comment le kwawena nje you are wondering, nawe uyafisa ukwazi, right? This is a great question, I'm not gonna lie. I won't lie, I've always wondered, hey, but towards Mselegu though, like so many wives, and for sure he has girlfriends as well. Basho Jwang. Vele he has girlfriends. Vele all these married men have girlfriends. And see, they are married, they have wives, they have girlfriends, and they have side chicks. So yeah. But the question still remains, and I high-key wanna know, shame. Hey, abantu bafuna ukwazi, guys. I could never be famous because this girl didn't do anything to anyone, but is under constant criticism for no reason. It's weird at this point. Hey guys, yeah, ne? And the shame she doesn't bother anyone. But okay, abantu guys, abanandaba. Abantu nje abanandaba, they will come for you. They will come for you. Yet your boyfriends are cheaters and sleep around with people they meet every time they go to groove, and y'all are out here acting like she's doing something different. The only difference is that she's married and you are not. But y'all know and have settled for it. You're just bitter and mean. Kanti, why do women hate each other so much? Why? Why do you guys hate each other so much? Why? Why vele? Guys, ziningi kodwa izinto ezibanga i-PH. Nokulala nje nomfana onejwabu, nalokho ngakwenza ukuthi ube ilo i-PH yakho yabo ingabe right. So yeah, bengithi nje nama ngishare i2 cents knowledge yami. But anyway guys, please share your thoughts under the comments. I'll see you on the next one. Akasimuhle nalo zama wakhona, nkosi yami, iskini siya iskin sakhe mfethu. Abafazi bakhe bo-3 laba, abafazi husband kazama phela like nakho-ke lana sebephelele. Wow, my yellow bones, yellow mellow. Yeah guys, yeah, it is what it is. I will see you guys on my next one.